Hello guys, you are welcome again in the digital learning tech video, and today we will be learning that how we can install C++ on our Android. So what you need to do is just go in the Chrome and from the link in description copy it and paste it, otherwise you can click it also and you can go there and download it by simply clicking here that you can see download 6.3 MB. So when you download this file, then go to files. As you download from Chrome, the location will be in downloads only if you haven't changed yet, and from here it will be a zip file, so you need to extract it. I have already extracted it. So what you have to do is you need to download any apps suppose for extracting. For example, I can say yes, File Explorer. You don't need to download it because it will just waste your memory. So you can see this is my extracted file. Two files are extracted as a PC and this box, install and this box, and then you need to remove the TC. So I'll install it later. So what I have to do with TC is you need to copy it and you need to save in the phone, and don't save it in any of the folder because it may not work. So paste outside only. You can see it's doing. So it's now you go and install Box. Scanning. So I'll install it. It's 1.1 MB only. We'll wait till it's now. You have to open it, and you can open screen rotation for your easy. So for getting the keyboard, you need to swipe from down like this. And keyboard. So you need to press here CD space PC and enter, and again CD space bin and again enter, and then PC and enter. So here is our C++. So now you can use it and it will definitely work. I have also used it, and guys, you have to repeat this step of CD bin and TC all the time when you open this app. So thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. So thank you guys.